On today's video, we're going to be putting a new key switch in this 10th gen. So can we get this open? Oh yeah, that's good. That's good for it. So let's just jump inside. It's a mess. It's been a while since we worked on this truck. Snow's all the way up to the running boards. But it's very simple to do the key switch, which I'm going to set up the camera, and we go from there. Oh yeah, we're good and set up now. What you want to do is take your original key and then set it into your key ignition. Now, if you don't have the original key, I'm going to be zip ties, then you're going to have to drill this ignition out with a drill. There's videos on that. And once you get that drilled out, this will twist freely. But you can't remove this ignition to this tons. So if you're watching this and you ain't got your key, we'll finish this video and then go watch drilling a key switch out. Thankfully, I got my key, so I'm going to go ahead and insert it. You can see, we're going to turn it on to the on position. There it is. Turn this off. And the on position is one position before it starts to crank over. So we got off. You got ACC, I think that's what that is. And then you got on. That's when your stereo and stuff should come on. Now there's a little hole underneath this, right here. I'll bring you in. Underneath here, this hole. And now I'm just using a little piece of a tire thing. Whoa, now camera, stay camera. This is for like repairing tires and stuff. You can use a punch or a small Phillips screwdriver. Anything, get back in here and hit this. And now there's a little detent ball on that. And that's what we're feeling for. We're going to press that in and pull out when we find it. It's all though. And what you're pressing on is this little ball. Right there. You press it in. And see, well, this one's had better days. This whole key switch had better days. So let's take this out. Take the key out and you put it on the off position right here. This is bad. Now, if you got one of these with the transponder keys, this is a 97. I think they didn't put them in the 01 or so. You will have to have your keys, added with a chip or however you do that. This one don't have that security, so we ain't worried about it. But the ignition just pops in and works. This little kit was off eBay. It's generic. It comes with matching keys. If you buy one of these kits, make sure you get matching keys if you don't want to carry two keys. Just in case you didn't know, your tailgate does have a key lock on some models. So most of the time I sell them with just door locks, but they've got one with a key lock for the tailgate too, matching cylinder. So if you don't have that, just put your spare key up inside your truck for the tailgate if you don't want to carry an extra key. Now, this thing came with the door locks because I plan on shaving the tailgate handle, so it didn't matter to me. But they come with everything you need, gaskets and all. And this is the key switch. It's brand new. Like I said, it's like $23, $25 for this kit. They are cheaper ones, but sometimes I like paying a little more. Probably is the same product, but this thing came with gaskets, matching set of keys, door locks and all. The gaskets mean a lot to me. You can see the detent right here is different from a factory key switch. Do you see? Now, sometimes that will work, but most of the time it won't. So what you do is you take this right here, you pull up on it. It's right here, this little tab. See? And this comes out, and you just flip it over and then you will insert it. And then we got the matching detent. Just like that. And don't worry if it don't mesh in right now. It won't budge. So you got the key on to the on position. You can see we turn this right here. See how the ball locks in? You keep turning it. Oh, that's on. I thought it should be one. And the ball just went up inside. It's cold. That's usually what balls do is this, you know, this. And then you insert it the same way it came out. Wiggle it in. Make sure it locks. So in the off position, it won't come out. It won't come out till you turn it on the on position again and poke something up in there to hit that detent ball. So now let's see if it stopped the truck and hit a run. We don't have no security. It should. Oh, that battery is hating that. So I'm gonna let this truck warm up. It ain't been started in a while, and this cold temp is getting these batteries. And that's a brand new battery. So I definitely don't want to start this truck if you're doing this and it's cold out. Don't start your vehicle and just cut it right back off. It's the worst thing you can do in cold temperatures on your battery. Let it warm up 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'm gonna let this truck warm up. I'm gonna go inside, but that's simple of how you change your ignition switch. I do got door locks here. I'll show you those. They came with everything. And I think I can put a link to the place I got this in the description, because I know some people asked that. I bought this with my own money. I don't get anything from it, but I don't know how long that seller will have them in stock. But I did buy this on eBay. And if you're a Capital One card holder, you can go through Capital One's app and get 4% cash back if you shop on eBay right now. But that's in the description, so you get some money back if you do that. Put these inside here, and my spare key for now. I ain't shaved my tailgate. Wherever I got off. Oh, it's on my wedge key. I gotta go inside and change this, and it's on this. That's the wedge key holder. I'm enjoying it. It's a little overpriced. This is the Fire Emblem one, and I like it. I like it a lot, but it's a little overpriced. At $75, it's kind of high. Don't need this no more. I'm going to take that, put my spare key up, and keep my door locks in here. We do a video on the door locks another day. We'll let this warm up in here too. Oh, hopefully it's warm. It's been running about 20 minutes. I should have drew it on defrost. Maybe it would have melted the windshield. There we go. Anyway, let's check it out. I'm going to change keys up fast. Let's see. Where's my key at? I changed and put it on my wedge key holder. So we're going to try this new one out. And you seen what trouble I had earlier with it. So let's just go ahead. Insert key. Here we go. Ooh, that's much better. Starts that up. I'll tell you, that's a whole lot better than just the keys just dangling. It's a nice little holder. I like to get me one of these in black. But, yeah, here's what it is. Let me put the spare key up. I can't lock my doors at the moment, so that sucks. Well, I can. My other key's inside, so I could technically lock my doors. Okay, those are the key switches. Ain't like I'm going to be driving it anytime soon. I picked this up, Tractor Supply. These things is expensive. These things are stupid expensive. Oh, that was like $75. Probably could got one cheaper on eBay. You know, those kind of sites, but it is what it is. I got that one because I needed it now because we picked up a buggy for the channel. A little utility trailer. We're going to do some modifications and stuff too. And in case you didn't know, You know, this is the first video I made in 5 days because I've been snowed in. I can do some inside videos, but I've been working on the inventory. I got an eBay store, description below, check it out. And I've been listing a TTR 110. I've been inventorying that. I got most of it on. The next thing I need to inventory is stuff that requires an air gun to back stuff off. You know, like the wheel nuts, the clutch basket, and all that stuff. So I can't list that at the moment. I could if I had an electric impact. I don't have one. I pretty much sold the electric impact, the earthquake you seen in previous videos from Harbor Freight, and intends to get a dual-lock. And I never did. I've been using my air impact. Well, my air hose is outside, and it snowed so fast I forgot about it and I didn't put it up. So it's covered up on top of about 2 or 3 inches of ice. So I ain't gonna be using my air impact anytime soon. And you just can't break that stuff, man. You just can't. You just gotta. It's too much. You do too much damage on a duck bike or any type of parts like that. You need that instant impact. So we're gonna wait on that. But stuff like the head, if you ended up bikes, you got a TTR 110E. I got the head listed. I got the jug and piston was scraped up pretty bad. I just scrapped those. I ain't listing those. I got the head listed. I got everything listed but what I couldn't get with an L. So you pretty much got half the top end of the motor and the rest of the duck bike minus wheels, brakes, and stuff like that. So if you into duck bikes, it'd be fun to have one in the snow. But what I'm saying, if you got one of those TTRs, check out the eBay store. Not just check it out anyway. There's probably something on there you might not know you needed. New? No. Might not know what you need. New? What? It's that country coming out in me. Yeah. Oh, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. I'm just rambling on. I ain't been out of the house. Well, I've been out of the house. The snow's got me cooped up because I like constantly doing stuff. I like filming myself doing stuff. And I've just been listening, and I just don't think people would enjoy me just inventorying car parts for 6 or 7 hours a day. I mean, no. But hopefully you found this key footage video helpful. Thanks again. I appreciate it. You make this possible by watching. Like, comment, subscribe.